This video is designed for you to be able to practice what you've already learned about the three main types of rocks: sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks, and igneous rocks. If you haven't already seen my video teaching you about these types of rocks, you should pause this video and go check it out first. So what's going to happen is I'm going to show you some examples of real rocks and give you a short description that might have some clues as to what kind of rock it really is. So after the description, you should pause the video to give yourself a chance to think and be able to write down your answer. That way you don't forget. After you've seen all the practice problems and have had a chance to write down what kind of rock each example is, then you can go into the description and check to see if you were correct. So let's get started. Practice problem number 1. This rock was found while digging deep in the crust to find oil. It has really large crystals, probably because it was formed from slowly cooling magma. Write down what kind of rock you think it is: sedimentary, igneous, or metamorphic. Practice problem number 2. This rock was found near a riverbed. As you can see, it has layers and was formed from weathering and erosion of other rocks. Write down your answer. Practice problem number 3. This rock has large holes where the gas was trapped while it was cooling. It was found near a volcano. What kind of rock do you think this one is? Practice problem number 4. This rock formed deep in the earth and used to be limestone, which is a type of sedimentary rock, but under intense pressure and heat has changed into this example, which is actually marble. What kind of rock do you think this one is? Practice problem number 5. Several of these rocks were found along a riverbed and were probably created due to weathering and erosion of sediments. Although you cannot see from the picture, this rock does have layers, just layers of the same material. So it's not necessarily as noticeable as some of the other rocks in this category, but it still is made from layers. Write down your answer for what you think this type of rock is. Okay, so at this point we can check our answers. Practice problem number 1. This rock is an igneous rock. Number 2 is a sedimentary rock. Practice problem number 3 was an igneous rock. Practice problem number 4 was a metamorphic rock. And practice problem number 5 was a sedimentary rock.